Welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl, the Glam Empress, and today I am here with a hair video, you guys. And woo, when I tell y'all know I don't be doing my own hair, but we are in between styles, you guys, and I just needed something quick to throw on, something quick to just get me to the next time I see my hairstylist, y'all. I needed something to transition me until I see the next time I see my hairstylist, y'all, because I was just going with my hair standing on top of my head, but I was like, no, let me go ahead and try to figure out a quick style and put it in my head, you guys. What a perfect day to get my hair and put something in my head, because as you guys can see, I got my makeup done by my girl Toya. We are trying to help each other grow content, you guys. So yes, so I was like, let me go throw something on my head for your girl, because you can't get your makeup done and your hair standing on top of your head. So that's what we did today. So if you are looking for an easy 1, 2, 3 style to put in your head, of course, continue watching this video, you guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see how I got this easy ponytail look for $13 on 4C Natural Hair, you guys. And I will see you guys in the video. Alright, you guys, so we are going to do this easy, sleek ponytail, you guys. And although my 4C hair is, I would say it's kind of short. It's shorter than what I'm used to because my hair used to be extremely longer than this. But we are going to get this into a ponytail, you guys. Now, again, although my hair is kind of short, it is extremely thick. So we are parting it off in a few different sections, and I'm adding the Mary's, I believe it was gel or jam or wax or whatever, but I showed it to you guys. But we're just going to put that in between the sections, you guys, because we're going to sleek this up into a nice high ponytail. And I don't know if you guys saw before, but I did just do a natural hair washing video, you guys. So if you need an easy step-by-step hair washing video for natural hair, definitely check that out using the link above, you guys. But again, I'm just going through and just putting that product into my hair and working it into my hair because you don't want it to show white. But I just like to get it on the hair first, and then I like to comb through and brush through and then try to sleek my hair up in a few different sections, you guys. So that's what I am doing now. Alright, you guys, so as you guys can see, I'm adding some wax to my hair, and also I was going to use the spritz, but the nozzle wasn't working, so I had to settle for the Gots to Be frizz hairspray. And then I'm just trying to blow dry my hair on cool just to make sure it stays. And then I use these perm wraps just to make sure my hair is staying sleek and it's not coming up and it's staying as straight as I want it. I do not put heat on my hair, you guys. I only put heat on my hair maybe once or twice a year, you guys, because I'm trying to strengthen in the hair shafts of my hair and make sure it's strong and that it can grow. And I do not want my hair to be heat trained. So as you guys can see, I started braiding down the ponytail and then I quickly got over it, so I put it in the top knot. And then I'm going back and blow drying my hair on cool just to kind of make sure it stays put. And then we're gonna cut off them perm wraps, you guys. And it's so sad because we love our frontal wigs, you guys, but look how thin my hair is in the front. So it is good to take breaks from your frontal wigs, you guys, especially during the summertime because it's too hot anyways. But yeah, and then now I'm just putting on the ponytail piece, you guys, and you don't want it to be too tight because it can give you a migraine. You just want it to be comfortable. So I am putting that on now, and because it is hot, you guys, I'm thinking that I do want to cut the ponytail, for one, to make it look more realistic, and for two, I just like, you know, I just want it to look real. Everybody know this ain't my hair. As you can see, it's two different
patterns going on, y'all. So I was trying to do that little ponytail wrap thing. It wasn't coming out as I wanted to, like not as straight, but it is what it is, you guys. But yeah. So now we are about to hack this hair right on off, you guys. And I didn't really have a length in mind. I just know that I cut the ponytail long at first, and then I kind of just fluff it out and see if that's the desired length that I wanted. And of course, one side is longer than the other, but it's okay. We're gonna fix it. But I'm just trying to pretty much play with the ponytail to see if this is the desired look that I want. And of course, I wanted to even it out as well. So that's what we're going to go in and do right now. So now that I got it to the desired length that I want, I'm just kind of fluffing it out. And if there's any like hair that is like stuck in the ponytail that I've already cut, I'm just fluffing it out just to make sure there's no loose hairs. And I'm just cutting some little pieces as I go to try to get that desired look, you guys. But all in all, I love this short ponytail look. It's super cute, especially for the spring and summertime. Again, it's super hot here in Florida, so I just wanted a natural looking curly ponytail, you guys, especially since it kind of really don't match my texture, but you know, it is what it is. Like, I just tried to get it as sleek as possible, you guys, and tried to get it as realistic as I could. So I'm just going around fluffing it out and just looking at it from all angles, and I thought it looked super duper cute.
All right, you guys, as you guys can see, I went ahead and I installed this cute, fun, flirty ponytail, you guys, on my 4C natural hair. Now, even though the hair is slicked back and nice, y'all, I had to, you know, put a little pin here and put a little pin there because my hair does not like to listen. It does not like to stay, even with it being in a texturizer and even with it being gelled back, you guys. I still had to put some pins up in there, but for the most part it came out really cute, you guys. And this is just a nice style. I feel like ponytails is a nice style just to kind of transition into your next hairstyle, you guys. Even though it does give a little tension, I try not to make it too tight on my hair because, as you guys can see, my hair is starting to thin in the front just because I do wear lace wigs. But in the summertime, I tend to switch over to different natural protective styles so that way I can give my hair a break, especially in the front from the wigs, you guys. So, but as of right now, I feel like this style came out very cute. I plan to keep it in for, I guess, a week, you guys. And yeah, you can go to any local beauty supply store and get you a ponytail, get you one that is kind of resemblance to your hair texture. And for all you girlies who don't know, or if you do know, if you are a licensed cosmetologist or a licensed esthetician, you can get 10% off or whatever percent off depending on your state at your local beauty supply store. So all together I paid about $12, or sorry, no, $13 for this ponytail, you guys, and that is the perfect price for me, especially since it is going to be in for a limited amount of days. And because I wanted it to resemble my actual natural hair, like, for one, y'all know this ain't my hair, so it ain't no point of having it long down my back. And for two, I'm here in Florida, you guys, and it's hot, so I just wanted something cute and kind of up. And then also I could probably like do like a little nice little bun as well, like a messy bun. Would that work? If I play with it enough, I could probably, you know, do a little 1-2, but it ain't even gonna be in that long to do a little 1-2, y'all. But this is the end of today's video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below, you guys, if you are loving my makeup look and my hair look, and what is your favorite hairstyle to wear in the spring and the summertime. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the journey, you guys. We are growing, and I'm so happy to have you guys supporting me. And of course, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.